is chapter 7, congruence of triangle, a very important chapter of 7th class. This is a topic which you have not done earlier, so you have to be very attentive and try to understand the thing. The congruence of triangle, what is the meaning, that we have to understand. Congruence of triangle. Now there is a picture shown here, two identical pictures, they are stamps shown here and both are of same type. When you put one stamp over the other, then they both will look same, meaning both will be covering each other. So the idea of congruence you understand. Then here it is showing two blades and they are also of same type. When you put one blade over the other blade, then it looks like it is one blade. Similarly, when you take two matchbooks or two biscuits from the same packet, then their size is same. If you take two matchbooks and both are of 7th class and you put one over the other, they both will cover each other and they both will look like same. So that is similarity of the shape. So in congruence, what is the meaning of congruence? When one stamp covers the other, and exactly this means that the two stamps are identical, the two stamps are of same shape and they are of same size. Such objects are called congruent. The objects which are looking same and they have same shape and size, they are called congruent. So whatever examples we read, they are examples of congruent objects. Okay, so in this chapter we will read what are congruent triangles. Here there are different shapes given. There can be more examples. Different shapes may be there, but they will not be same. Now on the next page, congruence of plane figures. Here there are two figures given and both the figures look same. Their name is given and when you put one figure over the other figure, they will look same. So these are called congruent figures and they are plane figures, their shape is same. So congruence of line is also there. Now what do you think when you say congruent line? Congruent line means there are lines given here, AB and CD are two lines drawn. So when you see and measure their length will be same, so they will be called congruent lines. Similarly, two lines PQ and RS, these are two lines, are they congruent? No, they are not congruent because their lengths are not same. So PQ and RS are not congruent. So this is the concept of congruent lines, and whenever we write about lines, then we know that there are congruent shapes and size, so then we call them congruent shapes. So we will read more about in the next page.